Hello, and welcome to my final project presentation for data reporting in spring of 2019. The idea for this project was to create a bubble map by customer class. And the reason that this is important is because we can see which customers are spending more per ticket by choosing if they're going first class. And we can also see customers that like to avoid buying first class, like the plague, and they want to go for economy class because it's much cheaper, back of the plane. And we're looking at this because we want to try to promote people buying first class to maybe get that better experience flying. And we can also look at customers who spend less money on flights, on their tickets, and choose economy or business class. And the marketing team can really use this because they can take this information and send out maybe promotions, coupons, what have you, to these other customers to maybe get them to try experiencing first class. The data that we use for this is just a very simple select statement from the class table that was created. And there's just 3 entries of data that are new to the table. Well, 4 with the class ID, but then there's business, first class, and economy. And then we combine this with the customer table, which in turn can lead to the transaction and transaction detail table to provide us information with what the customer has purchased. The report that we did is a very simple, and our data table that we used for this class wasn't that large of a sample size, but as you can see, the space in the state of Wisconsin, the bubble is bigger than the surrounding areas, meaning that more people in the Wisconsin area are choosing to fly first class. So we can look at this and kind of decide why. Why are they choosing first class? What's going on in this area versus the surrounding area? Are flight tickets higher for that? Are just more people wanting to fly first class in Wisconsin? So the marketing team can kind of dive into this and see what's going on. So this is important to our reporting services and to the airline because we can keep customers flying. We can also get customers to upgrade seat options. If flying first class seems better to them or doesn't seem that good to them, we can maybe try to push them and persuade them into choosing that instead, and maybe have them become long-term first class flight users. We can also, like I said previously, see which customers are flying cheaper, and are they doing that because they're traveling more? And if they are traveling more and they just want cheaper flight tickets, we can maybe send them special promotions or join a members club, rewards club, to get them to be a better loyal customer to us, to maybe give them a free flight for so many points earned. So in conclusion, there's numerous ideas that could be done for this kind of report, and having a map is just an easy way to show your popular locations. You can really see the areas in which airport, not specifically which airport, but which state is having the most people fly first class. And you can base a lot of assumptions off of why that's happening in that area. And I think the marketing team could really benefit from using this kind of map to see the hot spots. It points it out right away that this area is popular and you can really dive into it. And each report has its own use or uses. If somebody just wanted to know the most popular class type, you could easily do a drill down search of which class is being purchased the most. So with that, that'll wrap up my report and the data reporting class for 2019. Thank you.